Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. Before you start your trip, we'd like to give you some tips on mooring your cruiser so you know what to expect when you arrive. There are 52 sites across the Broads where you can moor for free for up to 24 hours. These are clearly signed. You can also moor for free at any of the hire boat marinas. Pubs and some private Broads may charge a small fee for mooring, and you may need to book in advance. You'll need to ensure that you're always moored up by dusk. When mooring in tidal areas, allow extra slack in mooring lines to allow for rise and fall. At Great Yarmouth, you should always moor at the yacht station, where the team will monitor your mooring lines for you. The golden rules of mooring are to take your time and approach the mooring slowly. Keep an eye on the tide and make sure everyone on board knows what they should be doing. There are two main ways of mooring, side on and stern on. When mooring side on, always make sure that you are moving against the direction of the tide. You may need to turn around before you can moor safely. Approach the space at a 45-degree angle. Slip the boat into neutral and glide into the mooring. Use the reverse throttle to bring the boat to a stop as necessary, and have a nominated crew member step ashore with your bow line to secure the cruiser. The tide will help the stern of the cruiser to drift gently into the shore. Keep your engine running until the mooring lines are secure. You will be asked to moor stern on to the bank at the marina basins, some yacht stations and staithes. To do this, stop with the bow opposite the point you wish to moor at. Turn the steering wheel hard over and turn the cruiser with a few bursts of hard throttle. When the stern is in line with the spot, center the wheel and reverse gently in. Use a burst of forward throttle to bring you to a standstill before your crew steps ashore to secure the vessel. You should always tie the mooring line nearest the direction of the tide first when mooring stern on. You'll be given the chance to practice mooring your cruiser in your trial run. But if you have any questions or concerns at any time during your holiday, you can call us for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.